Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the tube length that gives the rough magnification you want. Longer tube equals more magnification but less light. Attach the extension tube to your camera body, then mount the lens to the tube, making sure mounts click into place so contacts align. Once done, secure the camera on a tripod and lock down composition. Make sure you set camera to manual or aperture priority so exposure stays predictable while you refine focus. Now you refine focus and exposure. Switch to live view and zoom in on the area you want sharp. You will move the camera forward or backward, not the lens, because focus becomes very shallow. Set an aperture around f/5, 6 to f/11 to gain usable depth of field while avoiding diffraction, then meter the scene and dial in shutter speed and ISO. Make sure you stabilize subject and camera and add controlled light if the scene looks dark. Finish by taking multiple frames with slight focus shifts for stacking or small exposure variations to capture detail. Review images at 100% and adjust composition or tube length if corners are soft. Using a longer focal length reduces vignetting and gives more working distance. If autofocus fails or hunts, make sure there's enough light, then switch to manual focus in live view. This direct control often solves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.